New Year's, so we're trying to just look fresh, you know what I'm saying? Fresh to every day. There you go. Sharp. Why not? Esa vaina, ¿qué tal lindo, no? It's calm. You know what time it is, baby. Super wash gets the whole car underneath the cabin, everywhere. It's just like amazing. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at it. We're about to start. Watch this. Watch this. Watch this. Hey. Hey. Whoa, even behind, yo. That's pretty cool, man. Look at that. Look at that, bro. Well, it ain't like y'all haven't been in a car wash before, but I just wanted to throw it out here so you guys can entertain yourselves watching a car wash. Let's go. Now we got the nice little sprinkle on the windshield. There you go. Nice little windshield. Open the top. There you go. Toma. Toma, 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 toma. The graphene emergency ceramic coat. Okay. People coño, mira para allá, look. Hey. Gotta wash my lady's car too. Shit. God dang it. Uh-oh. Here comes the blow dry, man. Whoa, 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 whoa. Take it easy, brother. Take it easy. Take it easy. Mira pa allá, y'all. The tire shine right there. I'm telling you, car washes is probably like one of the best inventions they ever made, man. Look at that, guys. Super turbo. Super turbo. Super dryers right there, man. Whoa. Baby, we out of here now, boy. So what we're gonna do now is this, right? We're gonna take off. We got an extra microfiber towel because you know you always get the wet spots, and we're gonna get the tire shine up in here. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna get the tire shine. Please stick around for the final results. Put the little button in the back. Get the microfiber. We're gonna get that tire shine, bro. Where is it at? Where's that tire shine, bro? It's not here. Where is it? There it is. Yo, B. Don't sleep on this product. We gotta clean those damn rims. They look horrible. Although we washed them, yo. It's crazy. Hold on. Yo, there's a price you pay when you get cheap brake pads. The price you pay is that they stay dirty. The rims get mad dirty. Collects mad dust. You see this? You see this, guys? See this? This is what happens, man, when you buy the cheap brakes. This was an emergency, though. And I'll show you guys the difference between these and these. These are the good brakes. See? Dust-free. Ceramic pads, right? Clean, man, right? It's just wipe and go, right? These, no good. See that? Still gotta like do some extra digging in there. It's crazy, my G's. Crazy. Don't buy cheap brake pads, man. It's just, I was kind of like, honestly, I don't even know why the hell I didn't buy the freaking, I was being cheap, guys. Don't be cheap with your shit. Just fucking do the right thing, man, and buy the good stuff. Coño, look at me now. This is the price I pay. The price you pay is you got to clean extra. You buy the ceramic pads and you don't have to worry about this stuff. Stop being cheap, bro. Don't be cheap, niggas. Don't be cheap, bro. Make it happen. Just put some air in these joints, too. Look at that, huh? Better, huh? Better, way better. Don't be cheap, man. Pay the extra 30 bucks for those ceramic pads. I didn't mean to. It's just like I don't know what the heck happened. I think the guy didn't have them on stock and I had to get the cheaper ones at this point. But I needed them bad because I wanted to change them both at the same time. So that's what I did. There they are, nice and sharp now, nice and clean. There you go. Price you gotta pay when you buy cheap stuff. All right, cool. This is the car without the tire shine. I'll show you guys in a minute with the tire shine, all right? Boom. There. All right, this is it with the tire shine, guys. All right, man, it's already all set, ready to roll. We'll do the windows after. All right, man. Take care, guys. Have a good day. Let's go.